Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a farmhouse toolbox arrangement. So I grabbed this little toolbox from the Target dollar spot. I think it was $5, $3 or $5. One of the Dollar Tree tiles, some greenery, and this little blessed cutout, which is from Hobby Lobby, some brown wax, and some white chalk paint. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut my tile in half and peel off the backing. And this just makes it a little easier to work with and more manageable. So then I did the other side already. Now I'm just laying down the tile and showing you what I did. I just laid the tile down and traced out the toolbox. And then I'm just going to cut it out with some scissors. Once I had it all cut out, I'm going to hot glue it to the other side of my toolbox. And when I was cutting the tile, I tried to make sure that I got the lines kind of symmetrical. So when I cut this one out, like you can see the middle line on the tile, I kind of lined up with the middle line on the toolbox. That way there it kind of looked even on both sides, and there wasn't just two different pieces of tile on either side. I know it's kind of like a picky thing, but that's just how I did it. And there it is, all stuck on. Once it's all attached, you can take your chalk paint and paint the entire box. And I did both sides, the front, the back, the bottom, and I also did the inside. Now you can choose whatever color you want. I decided to do white because I really wanted a bright look to it, and I really wanted it to pop, especially with the tiles. And I was going to distress it, but I decided that I really didn't want to, that I really liked it just really, really bright white. I thought it looked really pretty. And I liked the way the tiles looked without distressing them or sanding them or anything. Once I had it all painted, I'm just going to set it aside to dry. It was mostly dry at this point anyway. And then I'm going to take that blessed cutout, and I'm just going to use some of my brown wax, and I'm just going to stain the blessed in the brown wax. I just apply it on with a baby wipe, and then I just kind of wiped off the excess with the baby wipe also. Once you have it all stained, I'm going to hot glue it to the front of my toolbox. And I just love the way the dark stain looks up against the bright white. And I think this is coming out adorable already. So now it's time to fill it up. I ended up using some boxwood from Walmart. As I said in yesterday's video, they used to be 97 cents. Now they're, I think it's like $1.25 or something. Walmart has weird endings in their prices. But I ended up getting some at the 97-cent price a long time ago. So that's what I'm using. You can use, anything you can find at Dollar Tree or, Walmart, Hobby Lobby to fill up yours. You could use florals if you want. This is just an idea. You could paint your box a whole different color. It's totally up to you. You can do it to match your decor. So I just took that boxwood and cut it all up and filled it up. And how stinking cute is this? I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.